Hey guys, and welcome to another awesome giveaway day. Now, if you guys want to sign up, make sure to watch the video for the 3 steps, and no matter what this winner will choose from the item shop, you can sign up for whatever you would like. So the battle pass is fully giftable, and there's a bunch of stuff in the item shops that's giftable. All the bundles, packs, not all the time they're giftable, so make sure it's fully giftable before you sign up for something. Right now we're gonna get started with the gifting. So right here we have DPG. Let's just go right into the item shop, and what DPG wants this time is this right here. So we're gonna go on and give to friends. We're gonna take a look at our party. We have DPG right there. We're gonna hold X to purchase this, sending the gift over. And how do I know that he got it? Well, when I go back and click on his name, it should say that he owns this already. So here we go, it says owned. That's how I know that he got it. If he didn't get it right away, he can change his banner. We can go into a game, get out. That should refresh Fortnite, and then that's it. But whenever you get gifted, it's right away that you get the gift. You don't have to wait, not even a second. So right now we can see that DPG got it because he's wearing one of the skins. Can you put on the other skin that you got from the bundle? And that's the second skin. Let's go. Alright guys, if you guys would like a chance to win, make sure to follow these 3 simple steps. Step number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're going to see support a creator. So you're just going to go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done, accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote backlink. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. If you guys want the battle pass, if you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.